Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nick Aladzakis, Director of Communications and Chief of Staff for Waukegan Public Schools, and this is 60 and 60 for the week of August 15th. The school year is just underway, but we have some quick items to share, so let's get to it. To begin, we have an update on our district's bus tracking app, MyStop. Student bus routes on MyStop are currently in the process of being updated, and the bus routes viewable by parents in the app may not be up to date. We want to thank everyone for their patience as we work to input all the correct bus routes into the app, and we anticipate that MyStop will be operational by the end of the month. Next week, we'll be hosting a Facebook Live event to help our parents get better acquainted with the Infinite Campus Parent Portal. The event will be hosted on our district's Facebook page beginning at 6 p.m. on Thursday, August 25th. During the stream, staff will guide our families through a number of Parent Portal functions, including how to view their students' grades, attendance, and schedule, as well as how to pay fees, register, and a whole lot more. Staff will be on hand to answer questions in the chat, and the stream will be viewable on the district's Facebook page after the stream has concluded. This week, many of our schools had their first late start or early release professional learning days, and the remainder of our schools are scheduled to have their first day later this month. These Wednesday modified bell schedules are used as professional development opportunities for staff members and are usually once or twice a month depending on the school's scheduling. A full schedule of these days can be found on our district's website or by scanning the QR code on your screen. That's all for this week. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to tune in each week for all the news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.